Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to obtain a pad and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, Grow a Garden 2 has been released in Roblox and I'm going to show you how you can get a pet. Basically, pet can be found spawning randomly around the map. Each spawned pet is marked with a countdown timer like this, indicating how long it will remain before disappearing. Players can purchase this pad using Shackles before the timer reaches 0. If the timer expires, the pad disappears and can no longer be obtained. And for example, this frog, you just need to click on buy and it will consume your Shackles. Yeah, just like this. And the pad will follow you guys anywhere you go. If you want to unequip the pad, click on this bunny icon. You can click on unequip like this. And if you want to equip it, just click on the pad and place it in your garden. Yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how we can get a pet and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.